Local news for Wednesday the 8th of November. A group of Chanel College students are today shaving their heads for cancer. The fundraiser will see more than 11 students and a teacher as well go under the clippers, all for a good cause. The Cut for a Cure will be taking place at Chanel at 1pm, and anyone wanting to donate can do so via their Give a Little page. This Saturday we'll see hundreds take part, hopefully, in the annual beach clean-up at Castle Point. People are encouraged to bring gardening gloves and help clean the beach of rubbish. Ahead of the busy summer season, there'll be a sausage sizzle going for a gold coin donation and spot prizes as well throughout the day. Registrations are from 9am with kick-off at 10am. And in sport, this weekend softball will see the women at home again, this time to Demons at South Park, while the P2 men are away to Demons at Fraser Park, the P3 men are away to the Keeneland Raiders, and Presidents are away to Totara Park. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.